Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make egg tuck sandwich full guide. Start by gathering fresh eggs, sturdy bread, butter, salt, pepper, and any fillings you like. Set up your pan and tools. Heat the pan to medium, whisk eggs lightly, and toast the bread while you cook. Assemble warm bread, folded eggs, and fillings, press gently, and serve immediately for best texture and flavor. Enjoy it hot. Gather simple ingredients and consider swaps to suit taste and budget. Use 2 eggs per sandwich for a balanced bite or 1 for a lighter option. Choose sturdy bread to hold fillings and avoid soggy centers. Consider sourdough or whole grain. Add cheese for creaminess, greens for freshness, or pickled items for tang. Prepare fillings ahead to speed morning assembly and keep everything within reach. Taste and tweak as you go. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. Quick recommendation: leak-proof containers make meal prep easy and keep sandwiches neat during transport. They are sturdy, seal tightly, and reduce spills in bags. Check the description for the link and other deals. These containers also stack well and fit fridge shelves neatly. Perfect for meal prep fans. They save time and annoyance. Now let's get back to the video. Master a few cooking techniques to make consistent egg tuck sandwiches. Fold eggs gently to create layers without breaking and cook low and slow for tender texture. Butter and toast the bread to add crispness and flavor contrast with soft eggs. Use a spatula to press and shape the sandwich briefly, then rest for a minute to let fillings meld. Practice makes timing intuitive and reduces cleanup stress. Enjoy experimenting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.